All right, so this is a Commodore Homes, another Cavco company, the Landmark. It is a single wide, so let's go take a look. Oh, this is different. Got a porch right here. All right, actually a pretty big porch too, that's nice. And I'm not sure what you would do with this little station here right in the doorway, but could probably use it as a stand-up working station. So the kitchen looks nice. It's got a big island. Got a coffee bar over there. This is your living area. I guess you would put the TV opposite of where I'm standing, maybe over there. Large island dishwasher, kind of a galley kitchen. Another door. Oh, there's 3 doors at least. Here's your laundry. And I guess this would be the master. Not real big, but not bad. It's got a closet. Although I'll be honest, that closet's pretty small. And, oh, here you go. You're sacrificing that closet space for this huge tub. And a double vanity. This is a very different configuration than any of the other houses I've seen at this show. And, oh, you know what? I bet there's his and hers closets. So there's 2 closets in here, so that's not as bad. It's not too bad. All right, let's go look at the other end of the house and see what's going on down there. It's a very different layout. I would say this is more like a beach house, maybe like a Florida house, something like that, maybe. Oh, here's a workstation. So you do have a little desk in here. Interesting. So the middle of the house is kind of like a work space with a porch. This is your hall closet. And this is like a mother-in-law suite down here. You've got another little kitchen. Interesting. I think it is a mother-in-law suite. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen something like this in a mobile home. So it's got your pretty good sized walk-in closet.
This is the main, this is the master.
The bed back here. Oh, sorry. And there's another
goes from the other side.
Another bathroom. I don't want to show people on camera, but that's the same bathroom that was in the hallway. So you can connect to that bathroom from the mother-in-law suite. So pretty interesting layout. Hopefully it comes across on camera. So something different.